SCD2 is all about something like this. Employee IDs are both are same, but still this is a inactive record. And from where to where active, this is the time period. But our data will based on this condition. Okay, we have to pick the data based on the is active, right? Then only you can get the updated one. Okay, let's assume this is our target table. Okay, this is our target table. Incoming. Let's say incoming data. Incoming data is something like this. Rama, as again he got promoted. Okay, and his salary is now revised to 80,000, and this is not there. This is not there. Rama is fine, and 102 is already there, right? Pawan is already there. So I want to, okay, by mistake it came again. Let's assume, okay, but there is no change. Okay, there is no change here, right? So what I can do is I can keep something like this. Fine. This is one. The second one is the Pavani, right? Pavani, let's say she also got some hike, or not hike. Let's say she transferred to Mumbai and place. Now her city changed. Okay. Now this is my incoming data. Okay. Here this is changed, right? This is I have to upsert. And this I have to what? What I have to do this with this? Can anyone tell me?
Nothing.
Ignore, right? We should ignore this because this record as it is already there. We should not update this, right? And what about this?
Update.
This is also upsert. Okay, then I will go with one more. 104. Let's say Mike. A Sal, let's say 65. Then Dev, and he's from let's say some New York. Okay, so this is all the way new record, right? Will you agree with me?
Yes.
This is a new record, and these are the, let's say, blue records or the existing record, but we have to update it. So this we have to insert. Is this step clear or not?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now what I will do is, you tell me, we have to ignore this, right? To ignore this, what join I have to use?
Left anti.
Yes, use left anti. Before that, what we will do is, step one, we have to compare, right? We have to compare, because this is not only employee ID level. No, it is at record level. We have to check it, right? So in order to use, can you please tell me which function I have to use to compare records between two tables?
XX hash.
Very good. Very good. XX hash 64. Okay. XX hash 64. And let me put XS hash 64 here. Okay. I will give a random number. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 5. Okay. So I can say this, right? Rama, sorry, Pawan. Is this hash is correct for this if I apply for these columns?
Yes.
If I apply hash function, step number 1, apply hash Databricks hash 64 and compare the records between source and target. Are you getting me? I need
Yes.
your involvement, otherwise it is very difficult for me. Okay, so this is my example. This is my joining column. So this is joining column, man. Okay, I am not using employee ID as a joining. Now I am using joining column is this. If I want to get only these records, except ignore one. Can anyone please tell me what join I have to perform on these tables? I don't want this 4321.
Yeah, left anti.
Left hand.
Yeah. If I want except 4321, I have to use left anti. Then only I will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and then 3, 4, 5. Agree?
Correct.
Use left anti on XX hash 64. Okay. So I will take this. And this I don't require it. Is my output correct? Will you agree?
Yes.
I will follow some strategy. Leave it about insert or upsert or insert, whatever. I don't want. What I will do is simply I will do append. Append means insert only. I will do insert only. Okay. I will do insert only. Why I chosen this way, I will tell you. Okay. I will leave it about upsert or delete or leave it about all these things. So step 2, we are able to compare and got it. Step 3. If you notice, these are the records which are updated or not than this. Please tell me, which one is more updated? These records or these records? This
Left
one only
side.
more updated, right?
Yes.
That means, let me do this way. I will add these values. How? If these are the most updated, what I can do is, shall I put Y or not?
Yeah.
Tell me,
Yes.
shall I put Y or not?
Yes.
Right. Now, what is the start date? Might be today's start date, right?
Yes. Loading date. Yeah.
Yeah. So loading date. Yes. Current timestamp. I can say current timestamp 8:25. Okay. 8:25. All right. Now, what is valid to? Can you please tell me? This is what valid to, right? Consider this.
Yes.
Is it correct or not? This we can achieve, right?
Yes. Yes.
And this and all append only. Insert or append. Okay, both are same. Append. I want to perform append to this table. Okay. We'll do, okay, add audit columns. To the above DF with appropriate values. All right. Guys, up to step 3, are you able to follow me or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. No. Okay. Step 4 is, let's say, append. Okay. Append the above source data frame to target table. Will you agree?
Yes.
What will happen if, let's say, this is my target? I'm just okay. Let me take these values. And we'll give, these are the old one. Okay. So you understand, right? This is my, now after append, our result something looks like this, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what I want to do is, Step number 5. Apply row underscore number window function on employee ID by valid from descending. Now you guys please tell me what happens. Say this is a row number. I want to know if I do a partition by employee ID and order by valid from descending, I want the result because we already learned row number function, right? Row number. I want answers from you guys. Please tell me what will happen.
Row number 45 would be 1.
Oh, wait. Okay, order by descending, right? 101, 101, 2201,
2.
31 in this one. Here one more record is there, right? Rama. This is the latest one, correct?
Yes.
Correct?
This is 1.
That is 1.
This is 1. Okay. Next, what is this?
First one is 2. Second one is 3.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Very good. If you clearly observe, the dates are latest to old. 1 is latest, right? Because why I am chosen only because 101, 101 2 times and here 3rd time, right? Just check the dates. Okay, which one came recently? You have to give rank 1. So this is the latest one, and the next latest is 22, and next last one is 2023. Okay. Now, can anyone please tell me what is the rank for 102? Any other
1.
record? We don't have any record, right? We have only one record, correct?
Mm.
What is the rank?
1.
1. Okay, very good. Now, can you please anyone tell me 103?
2.
This is 2. And here 103, one more is there. Here, this is the latest one. That's why we have to give 1. Okay. Now, what is this?
1.
1. So guys, are you able to understand this step? This is simple row number I applied here on this, and on this, so that we got this.
So basically
clear?
we want to
Sorry?
eliminate duplicates.
Very good. So it is a quite, we can guess it, right? What is the 6th step? Filter the records from the above data frame where row number values are
1.
less than 3. I'm interested 1 and 2 only, right? I don't want 3, isn't it? Because we are implementing SCD 2.
Yes.
Yes.
You tell me, SCD 2 does not have the 3rd, right? History. We should not maintain the 3rd history, correct?
Yes.
Then shall I remove this? If I filter, this is the one who will go out, right?
Yes. 3rd one.
Now we need all the records. You agree?
Yes.
Okay. Are you guys understand till here?
Yes.
Okay. Now, step number 7. We have to do 2 actions here. Okay. Number 1, number 2. Now, guys, if you notice clearly, there are few comments, right? Like if our first record is there, any action here? Do we need to do any action here? No, right? This is correct.
Correct.
And here we have to do 2 actions, right? What is that? Can anyone please tell me what we have to do here?
Is that
We should make this n, right?
Yes.
Correct? And valid 2. What we have to do valid 2? Valid 2, we have to put this value. Correct?
Yes.
I will shuffle this because you have to. Okay, and now I will change the records because I want to move. Let's say 101, right? So 101, let me move 101. I will bring all at once. 101. Okay, 101. Now it came. Now 101 second record. This is the second record. So second record. Okay, now 102. Pick up 102. 102. Now 102. Do we have any more? 102. No. 103. 103. 103. And we have one more record. 103. 103. So, and finally 104. Guys, is this correct or not? Can you please tell me? Is this correct or not?
Correct.
Now our first point is wherever rank 2, if my rank is 2, then I have to rank is 2, then I have to update is active to
N.
n. Yes, condition. If row number column value is 2, then set is active column value to n. Is my statement correct or not?
Yes.
Correct.
Okay. Second, let me just take here. Okay. Okay. So let's say you written this condition. Now the condition becomes true. Then what will happen is wherever a row number is 2, then it makes something like this, right? N and n. Correct? Say
Yes.
yes or
Yes.
no, please. Yes. Okay. What else we have to change? Can anyone please tell me? Wherever rank 2
Valid
is
to
there,
date.
right? What is the change?
Valid to date we need to change.
Yes, valid 2 we have to change. Can you please? Okay, let's take one example. This is an example, right? So what could be my valid to date here?
24.
The previous value, right? That is this valid from date I have to update here, correct?
Yes.
Update valid to. Okay. Okay. So intention is we have to change this value. We have to change this value, right? So this value, wherever row number is 2, we have to change this value. So what could be the step that we have to follow? Because I want this previous value to be here. Then what function I have to use?
Lag.
Lead.
No.
Lag.
Lag.
Sorry.
Lag. So I have to apply lag function. Okay. I have to apply lag function in order to change that. Then what will happen is it will change this date and it will change this date. Okay. This is what we are expecting, correct?
Yes.
Now, so then we will drop this. We don't require it. Now what I can do is step number 8. It is easy. Insert, overwrite, target table, correct?
Yes.
So that our target table becomes like this with the same data. This is what SCD2. Now you tell me, is it clear?
It's clear.
Understanding this very, very important. Don't mug up, please. How you feel this?
This is clear.
This is clear.
Okay. Now we will see up just the same steps, 8 steps. See here, same 8 steps only I used, not more than that. Okay. Now, so guys, this is what the table, this is my existing type 2 table, if you see, which I already created. And these are the records. Okay. These are the records which are already present. So this almost the same records. What I'm doing here is, okay, this is the existing one. Now, because to compare two tables, right, I have to create a data frame, right? So I created a data frame. This is the way to create a data frame out of the table, right? So this is the target DF now. Now, the source, we required source, right? So let's create a source also, because this is the source. I just taken this records, the same records which we just now discussed. All right, it has created the data frame again. This is the source DF. Now, if you remember first step, right? What is the first step? Can anyone please tell me? What is the first step?
Yes.
We have to compare records in both the tables, right? So target DF, I am creating a hash 64 for both the DFs, and what of it? Target DF is not defined. Not trying it. All right. So this is the target DF. If you clearly notice, guys, I took only the columns which I required. I don't want audit columns as of now, right? That is why I taken only these columns, the same as this source. So this is the target and this is source. If you run it again, it will work. See this. This is the target table data. This is a source table data. I just added an extra column, that is hash 64, to compare the records. So now if you clearly notice Tim, right, this record is common, right, guys? This record and this record is common.
Yes.
See, 50849 something are common. So we know that we have to ignore, because from the source DB, we have to ignore. This is our first step, this Tim record. Okay, fine. And how you ignore? You have to use left anti, correct? This is our second step. When you use left anti, it will bring only this record. Is it clear so far?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Got it right? The same records that we are talking about, which are not common in a existing table. All right. The third step. Can anyone please tell me what is the third step we discussed here? Added values, right? Added columns. We are going with the active status column, that is Y, because I have a, if you see the target table is having the column of active status. The same column I want to go with, right? So that is why I'm adding the added values. Okay, active status is Y. Start date is, what is that? Start date is current timestamp. Okay, current timestamp. And then end date is 9999. So I'm hard coding it. And this data will come now itself. Now run it. See, 25, right? August 25th we are in. So now we got the records which we supposed to append, right? Then what is the next step? We have to append it to the target table. That's what I'm doing, right? So this result I'm using here and writing into the target table again. So let me run it. Yes, it appended. Now check the target table. Are you able to follow me till here? We are able to append it.
Yes.
What is the next step? Can anyone please tell me?
Row number.
Row number.
Row number, very good. See here, apply row number, same steps. Apply row number on what? Apply row number on employee ID, order by, start date, descending, same. Then I used a row number. Okay, this is we already discussed. Let me just execute it. Now, see, is it correct or not? It has given a row number. Now,
Yes.
can anyone please tell me what is the next step?
Remove 3 record, row number 3.
Very good. Filter. The data frame to include only records where row number is less than 3. So simple. This is the data frame. I have to just add the filter condition row number is less than 3. Now display. Got it now? So we are able to ignore a third record that is not needed. Okay. What could be the last step? Can you please tell me? There are two
Override.
actions, right? Yes, two actions. One is first we will go with the changing the date. How we will change the date? Let's say I'm creating a window spec, okay? Because I have to use lag, right? So to use lag, I want to use lag on employee ID and row number, okay? Then if you notice end to date, I'm updating end to date with if a column row number equal to 2 equal to 2, then lag this by 1, which means it will give a previous value, correct? Otherwise, go with the end to date. Are you guys able to understand this step? Can anyone please tell me?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Now it will update wherever row number is 2, it will update the previous value of the start date. Okay. Now date has been changed. Okay. Okay. Date has been changed, right? Here, this step, if you notice, this step after changing the data, I can also write this condition, right? To update n value.
Yes.
The condition is wherever there is no high end data, just put it n. Or I can also use this function. I can also use this. I can also use this in place of this. This also works. So wherever row number is 2, please update to n. So, and then I'm dropping the row number because that is not needed. Let me just run this. See this? This is the latest one. Wherever you are seeing y, you are seeing double line. Wherever you are seeing n, you are seeing a date. Correct?
Yes.
Now, what is the last step? Just insert override to an existing table. So that's what I'm doing. Final result, or insert override to an existing table. So it is very simple. Just run it. Yes, that's it. Now verify our target table. Target table is having the same data. That's it. Are you able to understand SCD2?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
There are many other ways you can implement SCD2, but this is my way of implementing SCD2, and which is easy to understand.